SetMySite.com's website management service offers you, the website owner, the fastest, easiest, and most accurate way to request any kind of website edit or change. And we do that through our website request tool. Let me show you how that works. Let's say this is your website. Simply scroll to the area that you want your personal webmaster to edit or change. You'll see our website request tool in the bottom right corner here. Click on the plus icon to add a comment. Hover over the area that you want us to change. Let's say it's this headline. Click on it, and a comment box will pop up. Then type in your instructions. If you want, you can stylize your instructions by bolding them, italicizing. You can even do numbers and bullet points. But let's keep it simple. If we're all done, we're finished with our instructions, just click add comment. That's it, you're done. Left a digital sticky note for your personal webmaster to review. And the best part is that after you leave it, he's notified immediately. Let me show you what his email inbox looks like. There it is. You can see that you, Joe Customer, made a new comment on your website. When he clicks on that email, you can see the comment you made. When he clicks on view comment, it opens up a new tab and it'll scroll him to the exact area that you clicked. So he can see exactly where you clicked and what the instructions are. There's no confusion, no having to explain things over the phone of the page or the section you're wanting edited. We can see exactly where you clicked. We can also see a host of other information. We can see the browser you're using, your screen size, your operating system, and a bunch of other info that'll help us see what you see. So if you're using this tool on a mobile phone or even on an iPad, we'll be able to see what you see, and there's no confusion about any of the edits or changes because we can also see exactly where you clicked. Let's do a couple other examples. Let's say we want to change the word broker to agent. Click that comment, you're done. Let's say you want to add a get started button down here next to the contact me. Just click where you want it. Let's say after you left the comment, you changed your mind, you want to have a different button there. You can leave an additional comment right below clarifying, or you can hover over the original comment and edit it and then save. Let's say rather than having the get started button to the left of the contact me button, you want to the right. That's pretty simple. Drag your comment marker over and you're done. How about this? Maybe you want to ask a question. Click add comment, you're done. And here's really the best part is you can even do attachments as part of your request. So let's say you want to change this background image to something else. Let's say this is kind of grainy or pixelated and you want to just use a different image. The plus icon, click on the image and type in your instructions. All you then do is click on the attachment icon or the paperclip. Box pops up. Select the picture you want us to use as a replacement. It gets attached to your instructions. Click add comment and that's it. You're done. So let's go back to the webmaster's inbox. You can see he can view all these comments, and no matter which one he clicks on, it'll scroll him to the correct area. Scroll down to the website request tool. You'll see that there are 5 unresolved requests. You or your webmaster can click on that. When you click on those comments, it'll scroll you right to any of those changes. Here's another cool thing. From the webmaster's point of view, if he sees a question or he needs clarification, he can type in a reply. And it's nicely threaded here so that emails don't get messy. You can see exactly the task he's asking a question on. So let's go to, let's say you, the client's email. We'll come over here and look at that. Already, it's right in your inbox. You can click on that email and you'll see that your personal webmaster, Zach, he said, no problem. What do you have in mind? What's he talking about? Let's see. You click on view comment. Now you'll be scrolled to the exact spot where you originally clicked, and you can see Zach's reply to you, and then you can reply to him. Click add comment. Zach's been notified. He can then go ahead and complete the request. When your webmaster is done making these changes, he will resolve these requests like that, and you'll see them disappear. But even let's say you need to go back and open them, you can see past requests by clicking the show resolve button. How about this one? You can simply unresolve it, and then you click back on the message icon here, only show unresolved. So as you can see, there's a lot of utility here. There's no questions about where you're clicking, what you want. It's pretty exact, and all these requests happen immediately, whether it's a request to your webmaster or a reply from a webmaster to you. It's very exact, very accurate, and you can honestly do a whole number of requests in just even under a minute. And the coolest part about it is your visitors or other people won't be able to see these requests at all. Let me show you. Right here, this is what the website looks like to a regular visitor. They can't see any of these sticky notes. They can't see any of these conversations. And that's because our website request tool requires a login. We'll basically send you a special unique link like this. You type in your username, you type in your password. When you click login, super simple. It directs you right to your website. And once you're logged in, that's when you can see the requests, the tools, and manage your edits from there. So that is about it. SetMySite.com's website request tool. I hope this video has been informative. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thanks again.